Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 24 divided by 4 divided by 24 divided by 8. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. In this expression, we have three divisions. And as we know, when we have more than one division in one expression, we have to work from left to right. So first 24 divided by 4, which equals 6. So we have 6 divided by 24 divided by 8. Now this division, 6 divided by 24. We can write 6 over 24 and divided by 8. We can simplify this fraction. 6 divided by 6 gives us 1 and 24 divided by 6 gives us 4. So we have 1 over 4 divided by 8. And according to the KCF rule, keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. We can write 1 over 4 then times 1 over 8. And this is equal to 1 over 4 times 8, which equals 32. So our final answer to this problem is just 1 over 32.